Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mokile. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. In this video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding these words that have the sound A, the vowel letter A, the short vowel A. Most people call this sound E. Look at it. This is what is transcribed here. It is not E, but A. A. A is a very short, sharp sound, okay? It's not E, but A. I'll transcribe the words and then we'll produce it. You can also try to bring out some words with the sound and transcribe. One good thing about transcription is that it helps to boost our brains, okay? It's a kind of brain teaser. As you practice transcription, your brain start working better than usual, okay? Just try, transcribe. It's a bit difficult, but you can try them. And before you know what's happening, you are getting interested in transcribing longer words, okay? So let's transcribe them and sound them together. Follow me as I do so. Okay, this is zip, not zip. Zip. Look at the sound coming in here. This is pig, not pig. Sit, not sit. Print, not print. Look at the E. We change to the sound A. Pretty, she's a very pretty girl. And this one, your U, we change to A sound. Okay, yeah. Busy. I am very busy now. Let me do my Z very well. My S we change to Z. Okay, minute. Please give me 1 minute, not minute. And this is not build, but build. Build. Visit. Your S will change, the S will change to Z. Visit. Biscuit. Yeah. My T. Biscuit. Oh no. Where's my S? I'm sorry. Sometimes this transcription can be a little bit base. Yeah. Kit. Yeah, biscuit. And this is the side date. This we change to the sound, and this one we change to sound. And this is inside it. Inside. And this one is market. And this is so simple. Fish or swimming-ness. Okay, your SH you change to a swimming-ness. Then wicked. So very wicked man. The devil is very wicked. Wicked. Okay. Okay, let's go. Zip, not zip. Pig. Sit. Print. Pretty. She's a very pretty girl. Busy. I'm very busy now. Minute. Build. Visit. Biscuit. Decided. Inside. Market. Not market, but market. The E will change to the sound A. Market. Fish. Wicked. You see, this we change to the sound, and the E we change to the same A sound. Thank you so much. I hope you will search out some short words to practice. With time, you get used to transcribing words. Thank you so much. God bless you.